How do you feel when a native speaker laughs at the way you speak your Yoruba language? Nervous, angry, disappointed, or not willing to learn again? Farabale, 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 farabale. I can understand how you feel. I can understand how you feel. This method I'm going to share with you, is a proven method that has helped many of my students who has faced this issue. Sumomi is in two ways. If the native speaker is someone that is close to you, like your parents, siblings, or a very close friend, you walk up to them on a serious mood, not in an angry tone. Tell them that you are just a learner of Yoruba language and their action is affecting your confidence in learning. Tell them you will need their assistance in correcting you. Meanwhile, they won't be there to teach you because they won't actually have that time. That is where you need a language tutor. But they can always be there for you as someone to practice with or to correct you when you make mistake. But when the native speaker is not someone that you know, and the person is laughing you because of the way you speak or write your Yoruba language, maybe online, just do like this. Jack Rombijo.